This is Unit 2, Lesson 1, Polynomial Operations, Lesson 1, Review and Preview. Overview of the unit. In this unit, we study an algebraic expression called polynomials. You should know what polynomials are from grade 9. Okay, we review the classifications of them, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we will do division too, of monomials. We'll do the product of two binomials, which we'll use foiling technique to do that. And then we also solve problems involving polynomial expressions. So we're doing a little bit of everything with polynomials. So just the warm-up here, just kind of we'll go through this together. In algebra, a letter represents that one or more values is called, one or more numbers is called a variable. Expressions like 2a minus b plus 4 or 5 over x plus 3 are algebraic expressions. So how many of you guys remember from last year, hopefully the people that had me for their teacher, which is only Stanich, Ollie, Isla, Logan, Maddie. Okay, what's the difference between expression and an equation? Ollie?
Equation has an equal sign.
Attaboy. So an equation sign has an equal sign. Therefore, you have a balance. Okay, you have an equivalent expression. So an expression is just essentially an expression of terms. Because it's an expression, so we don't know what it's equal to. So it's not a value. It doesn't have anything tied to it. It's just an expression. Okay, so that kind of goes with that. So then now here, a monomial is a single term. Okay, so all of these are monomials right here. Okay, so 6 is a monomial, x, 6x, negative 1/2 xy. If you're saying, wait a second, that's got an xy. But it's all a product, so it's all one group. So it's a monomial. Okay, it's mono, single. Okay, any questions on monomial? Okay. And then the number that multiplies the variable is called the numerical coefficient. We already know that from exponents, right? The coefficient is the number out in front. Okay, so here, so like right here, like that'd be a 2, a 7, negative 5, negative 9. Okay. Explain why 5 over x is not a polynomial. Why is that not a polynomial? Okay, so by definition of polynomial, it has to have a positive exponent. So this actually is technically an x to the what?
1.
-1, right? Because it's on the bottom. So it's not a polynomial because it doesn't have a positive exponent. Does that make sense? You can't do over x because if we wrote this, it'd be 5x to the -1 plus 3. Well, that's really bad. 5x to the -1 plus 3. So that's how you'd write that with exponents. It's a negative exponent, therefore it's not a polynomial. Polynomials have to have positive exponents. Okay, polynomial consists of one or more terms which are separated by a plus or minus sign. So a polynomial with one term is a monomial. A polynomial with two terms is binomial. This is all review from last year. Polynomial with three terms, a trinomial. Anything bigger than tri, we just call a general polynomial. Okay, so 4 or more, we just call it a polynomial. So it has 6 terms, it's a polynomial. 9, polynomial. Okay. Questions, concerns? All right. Okay, so consider the following. Uh-oh. All right, we're good. Okay, consider the following algebraic expression in each case. State whether the expression represents a polynomial or not. If the expression does not represent a polynomial, explain why. If it does, state whether the polynomial is a monomial, binomial, or trinomial. Okay, so the first one, 1/4 xy minus 10. Is that a polynomial or not? No. It is, because our variables are positive exponents. Okay, that's a 1, that's a 1, we're good. How many terms? Binomial, so 2. So it'd be yes, binomial. So it's yes for polynomial. Okay. So again, this one's a little tricky. B, is it a polynomial, yes or no? Okay. So maybe I might have, this one might be my fault. I might have said it has to be positive. It has to be 1 or bigger for an exponent. So that's my fault. Okay. So polynomial, let's just write this here because that's my fault. A little oversight. In order to be a polynomial, the exponent has to be greater than or equal to 1. So if you have an exponent less than 1, it's not a polynomial. So this one has 1/2, so this is the problem. So no, it's not. a polynomial. Okay? Apologize for the confusion there. Why is it not? Because 1/2 is not 1 or greater. Okay, C. Is C a polynomial? Yeah, 4 and 3, so yes. And how many terms? 3, so trinomial. Okay. Spencer, what do you think for D? Is D a polynomial, yes or no?
It's a polynomial, but it's a trinomial.
Okay, it's a trinomial, but what number is this? It's a 2, right? What's this one? And then what's this one? Right, which is smaller than 1, so not a polynomial. You say 0.2 is less than 1. Okay, and Logan, how about E? Is E a polynomial, yes or no? No, because A, that's a 7a to the negative 1. Okay, so no. Negative exponent. Good job. All right. Okay, let's get to this chart here. Why is that not working here? Okay. So complete the following table, state the number of variables, state the number of terms, name the polynomial. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys try this on your own, fill out this chart, and then we'll kind of go around the room and share, see how we do. Okay? All right, so Andy, why don't you just do all the first one here? So how many variables?
There's 3 variables.
Okay.
2 terms.
2?
Yep.
Okay.
Those are trinomials.
Good. Okay, so those variables are x, y, and z. Okay, it's 2 terms because it's one product plus another product, so 1, 2. 2 terms means binomial. Okay, good. Jump back to Travis there for the second one.
There's 3 variables.
Okay, A, B, and C. Good.
2 terms.
Good. Perfect. Okay, and where did Spencer? So Aiden, how about the third one?
There's just x.
One variable, good. So back to a question I got a second ago. Is x squared and x different variables? It's not. It's the same number, just one's squared and one's not. So in terms of variable, it's not. Are they different terms? Yes, but they're not different variables. Okay, so just one variable there. Okay, good. And then Aiden, what about your terms? 3. Trinomial, perfect. Okay, we'll come down here. Caleb, so root 2x.